Welcome to another Ask Hennasooq with me, Khadija, leading henna hair color expert. Ayurvedic hair care is my specialty. So this week's question is, what teas can we use to affect the color of henna? Like, what kind of effect do teas have on henna? So the tea you use can make that color slightly change and vary a little bit. So let's say you use like a dark tea, just your traditional, caffeinated black tea. That black tea can reduce some of the red slightly. It'll make it a little bit more on the darker or the browner side slightly, not a whole lot though, but it does definitely tone it down, especially like the stronger the tea is. And if your hair is sensitive to caffeine, you may not want to use it on your hair because it can also be a little drying. And another tea that you could use that I really like, that I think is really gentle and just smells so nice too, is chamomile tea. If you soak a nice chamomile tea, you'll push some of the golden that can come out with the henna. So a little bit of golden redishy kind of tone. And of course, the lighter your hair is, the more that kind of color will pop out, of course, or the more grays you have. But it's a really nice herbal tea to add to your henna for sure, because a lot of people who are aiming for recipes that are a little bit more golden, a little bit more strawberry blonde, and they have those light hair shades, then they're using chamomile tea to push that as well with their henna or their cassia and any other herb they're using. And another tea that you could use is the red Rubios tea. Yes, that red, rich, vibrant tea can add even more vibrant red tones to your henna. So use that tea if you want to push red and you want to see pops of red more and stronger and just more vibrant and bright and full of shine as well. You would definitely use that kind of tea. So those are like my top kind of go-to teas if you were going to add a tea to henna, either for color or just for the overall benefits, because it doesn't have to be about coloring your hair. You could be using teas with your henna for strengthening treatments, to add shine, definition, promote your hair to grow and just be stronger and healthier. And don't forget to hit subscribe, get notified, hit that bell so you don't miss another Ask Hennasooq. See you next time. Bye.